Alright, so these are one of the common defects in the C-Class headrests. These normally go from the 2009 up to the 2013 model. Not good. Anything about it, this thing just exploded. No warning, just separated. Today we're going to be fixing it. Alright guys, so today we're going to be attempting to remove the headrest of this Mercedes-Benz C-Class. These are normally a default features of this model, and it goes from the 2008 up to 2013 model. So today we're going to be attempting to remove it. It is not as easy as other makes where you just push in this button and slide it up. As you realize, once there, it won't go any further because there's a clip behind it holding it up. So the first thing we're going to have to do is remove that back casing and then gain access to the clip so that we can remove the headrest. So let's begin. Okay, so there are 4 clips, well 6 clips holding the back of this compartment on. There's one here, one in the middle here, and 2 up top here. The ones at the top are hooked down. The ones here are also hooked down. So the ones in the middle are just like hooking against the holder to hold it in place. So we have to try to take it off without breaking these clips. They get very fragile over time, so we have to be very careful. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using this tool. Put it behind there and just gently pull it up to one side. Gently do it to the other side. That and the mechanism of the clip is held in by a hook right here, so we just want to push down. While pushing it down, we release them. Alright, so here's what we have at the back. As I told you earlier, these headrests are held in differently than the normal one. There's a clip right here that we have to release in order to get rid of the headrest, and we have to disconnect the connection right here. So let's do that. We just push inside there. That up to release it. Alright, so what I'm going to attempt to do is to kind of brace on the clip with the screwdriver while I pull it up. I think I might need to bring this seat down before I do that, so let's do that first. So apparently this is not how you this is not how you release it. We have to put something here to prevent this right there. Okay, and press that, goes down. So that is where, so we have to put something here so that when we slide it up, it prevents this from hooking into this. Okay, it's only on one side, it's not on both sides. So let's see what I can find. Alright, so I'm trying this first.
need some more space.
And that's how you get it out.